In this video, I will show you how to fix error code PQE1223 in Fortnite game installation. So firstly, open web browser. Now here search Microsoft Visual. C++ 2010. Now open this first link, scroll down and click on this download option. Now select here your system. If you are using 64, so select it, or 32, so select this one, then click on next. Now double click on this setup file and install in your Windows PC or laptop. And once you successfully install, close and restart and retry to install Fortnite game. Hopefully this time you will not face this error. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not. Just you have to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ 2010.